got your power, 9 volt, 12 volt, 5 volts, USB. Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing today? So today I have this mini UPS, this DC UPS China makes. Probably seeing it on my channel as well as a 1-year review, the unboxing, and you'll know why I'm opening it. It failed on the 12 volt port, so it's only supplying 11 point something, and it's not powering my router, and it's actually cutting the router off, so the internet gets cut off. But the other ones are working, everything. So I said, let's open it up and see what's in it. I have no idea how you open it up. Can't see any screws and nothing. It's like a seal unit. Totally sealed. Can't see any screws there. If you look right around it. And guys, so I had to go off camera there because I had no idea how to open this thing. And it was fidgeting. So basically, if you can see, there's a gap around this thing here. So what you have to do is, if you like push this in, see I've got it pushed in, and then this bottom part will come out, so you can slide something thin inside it. Once that's in there, once you get that, you should be able to take the clips out. See, it's like sealed this way. Yeah, see, it's sealed. It's got clips all over this. Let's get my stronger thing. Yeah. So it's held together with clips. There's no physical screws here. And then you got your power management buttons and lights and all, yeah. So that will go to, yeah, a switch here. So this thing still should technically work. Yeah. Do not do this at home with power live, guys, because this caps will shock you and everything. So now I am going to disconnect the battery. This is the battery. So it's disconnected. So now, but there's still power in this cap, guys. Do not do this here. And you've got your battery. So it is 26 milli-100 hours. China make. So it's got 4. It comes to 10,400. Pretty decent, not like a cheap battery. Pretty good soldering, all that. And we've got the electronics here. So we've got normal transformers, this LAN board here. So it connects through this here now. So let's take this out because not going to be needing that. There's nothing more there. So this is basically the electronics. So I think I know what's the problem here, guys. Why this thing failed. If you look here, these two caps, you can see it's leaking. You can see the other caps are flat. Plus these are bulged and they're leaking. So I think this on the 12 volt rail popped, and then it's not supplying enough power, so it's on its way out. It'll still work, but it's on its way out. So if I do replace those two caps, I'm sure this should work. Huh? So I've got my screwdriver here. Let's take out some stuff. A pretty simple design, nothing hectic, just two boards. It's two boards and that's about it. Got your little switch there. Yeah. 9 volt switch. Got your reset button there. Reset button. Internet that. Simple board for that. And we got another 4 screws here, right? I've got some phones coming up. Another UPS I bought If you saw my Gizu video, you know about that Gizu. That Gizu also died. So that's like a little preview coming in the next video. So this is the board. Just be careful of the caps. You can decharge the caps. You just have to run it like this. But guys, if you do not know electronics or anything, do not do this. Yeah, I do not know electronics as well, but I watched a lot of videos and I read up on stuff to be as safe as I can. So be careful. This is not going to kill you, but it will shock you bad. Trust me, I did get shocked with it on a fan capacitor. Phew, that thing shocked me bad. So that's why be careful, guys, with the cap, especially the bigger caps. So these two are gone. So basically simple board, nice board. It's a nice board. It's not one of those green boards, it's a black board. Got your power, 9 volt, 12 volt, 5 volts, USB. It's not like a cheap, it is a cheap power supply unit, but it's pretty decent, man. Yeah. So these two caps are here, right? So if you look at them, they go like this, go through this chip here somewhere. But that's about it. I'm not really gonna. I know maybe if I fix this, they might regulate the voltage better, but don't know. It could be something else. I don't know. I'm not a professional repair technician or anything. I'm just unboxed and I'm just tearing it down to see what inside. It's pretty simple stuff. So you got your. Let me keep all this away. So you've got your plastic cover, your battery, put it this side to make it look like a battery, your board, this little board, and this cable. That's basically a mini UPS, guys. It came with so much tools. The damn thing didn't even have screws to open. Just had 6 screws inside here, and that's it. The easiest teardown I think I've done in a while. So anyway, it's a good idea. At least I found out what's wrong with it as well. So good to know. Anyway, guys, not that long teardown. There's not much I can show here. Just be careful with the caps and try to avoid it or wear some insulation gloves or something. That's the basic teardown of this here. Can use these batteries for something maybe if I want to, don't know, but that's it, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next, guys.